Today, I will guide you step by step through the complete process of creating and using a USB system key to install the OCE system software on your wide format printer. In this demonstration, we are preparing the system for an OCE PlotWave or ColorWave series machine, and the same procedure applies to models such as PlotWave 300, 350, 340, 360, 345, 365, 450, 550, as well as ColorWave 300, 500, and 600. Before we begin, make sure you have three things ready: a computer with the USB Key Creator software installed, the official OCE system ISO image file, and a blank USB flash drive. Now, let's begin. First, install the USB Key Creator software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the application. After launching the program, you will see the welcome screen. Click Next to proceed. In this section, you will be asked to select the OCE System ISO image file. Click on the Browse button. Navigate to the location where you saved the OCE System ISO file. In the following screen, the software will display the OCE System product name, version information, and time zone details associated with the ISO file. You will now see the license agreement. Read through the agreement carefully. To continue, select I agree to accept the terms and conditions, then click Next. The system will now begin copying the OCE system software to your USB stick. During this process, do not remove the USB drive and do not close the application. The progress bar will indicate the status of the file transfer. This step may take several minutes depending on the size of the ISO file and the speed of your USB device. Once the copying process is complete, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the USB key has been successfully created. Click Next, then click Finish to close the USB Key Creator application. Now, safely remove the USB stick from your computer.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video.